Hello and welcome to another BODYFX tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to create an easy zombie look for Halloween. To start the makeup we are using our effects paste, which is a thickened latex product, and we're just applying this using a popsicle stick. You want to apply some onto the cheekbones and create a ridge over the nose. This product is great for adding some extra detail and texture onto the skin. While that dries, we're using a bit of Ivory Face Paint and a sponge. This face paint is water activated, so activate it with some water on your sponge and then apply it directly onto the face. No moisturizer needed. Try to avoid the effects paste until it's completely dry. Next up we're going to be using our zombie cheek stencil. So this stencil is great for that ripped open cheek effect. So we're first going to place our stencil onto the side of the mouth, and we're going to fill in the first shape with white face paint using a dauber. Then we're going to move on to the second shape, and you want to line it up so that it sits directly on top of the white, and fill that in with red. Then for the last little shape on the stencil, we're going to place it directly on top of the red and fill that in with black, and you should end up with something like this. Next up, we want to add a bit more of a decaying effect onto the face, so we're using a Stipple Sponge and a bit of dark green face paint, so you can mix together some green and black to make your green a little bit darker. And we're just going to stipple this around the face to add some extra detail. Now we also want to add a little bit of gauntness to the face, so adding a bit of dark brown or black eyeshadow over the face will get this effect. So we want to hollow out the eye sockets and also a little bit underneath the cheekbones for that semi-skeletal effect. And also just under that ridge that we created on the nose and the temples. You can be a little bit more messy with this because, you know, we're kind of going for that decaying sort of zombie look, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Now you can add any other details that you like using some face paint. So here we're just adding some nice little veins with a kind of muted blue color. So again, just mixing up your colors with a little bit of black can make them a little bit darker. Also adding a little bit of red face paint underneath the eyes. We're just using a brush to paint this on and then using a sponge to kind of fade it out a little bit. Now it's time to get this zombie looking bloody. So first, using some red face paint, we're just going to lay out where we're going to be putting some coagulated blood, just with some red face paint. Then with a chip brush, you can use some very wet red face paint and use this to flick on some nice splatters of blood. Now we're going to use some thick coagulated or scratch blood and fill in this gash up here and also just underneath this ridge on the nose, and you can also add some around the mouth if you like, but if you want to go for that nice drippy blood around the mouth, you want to use some Squirt Blood. We hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're interested in this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. All of the products used are in our Zombie Horde pack and will have enough to create your own zombie horde. You can check out our other Halloween character packs on bodyfx.co.nz.